Okay, welcome to my tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to back up Linux. Doesn't matter what distribution you have. If you have Mint, Ubuntu, Arch, it doesn't matter. I myself, I come from Windows. I wasn't sure how to do this, so I thought I'd make a quick tutorial on it, as it is not as hard as I thought. Basically, I made a little script. You can copy it if you want to. It really doesn't matter. Let me just quickly pick it up. Right, I have this backup script. Basically, we can see what it does here. What the the shortcuts are for. So you have to do this as admin. You want to set the date variable as day, month, year. And basically, also I want to say I'm not a programmer. I'm not sure how right or wrong this is. If you have any, if you know how to do it better, please let me know. This is how I do it myself. So that's just a little quick disclaimer here. I've made a file of things I want to exclude, as I don't want to back up Steam and stuff like that. We can have a quick look. It has to be in the same folder as your backup script. So I have disabled Steam, downloads, obviously trash and cache. PS2, that's because I use an emulator and I do not want to download the ISO every time I make a backup. Then you tell it what to copy. So I wanted to copy in the home directory the user directory. Basically, the way it works in Linux is all your settings and files are stored within your user directory. So basically, that's all you have to back up. The rest is just the inner workings. Then I'm backing up to NAS. You can back up to a USB drive, anything really. Just this is the way I do it. So you put your username and the IP address, and it's a Synology NAS, so you have to put volume 1 in front of it. Should always be volume 1, unless you have more than one. And then directory and my date variable. This means every time I make a backup, it makes a new folder for the day, and then it will copy the files over in archive mode. What other things that you might want to do is, I will include this in the description. There is a backup tool in Linux Mint. Like I said, you can install this. All it does is back up which software you have installed on your PC, and you just click select all, forward, and there you go. There's a package list now. And in the event that everything burns down, you just go onto your NAS or your USB drive. You open, you reinstall Linux on a fresh PC. You open up the backup tool, and you just click restore, tell it which file it is, and then it will install all the software you had on it. What you do next is you restore your backup. This is basically the script, just written in reverse, so it copies it from your destination back to your source. In this case, the source is now obviously the destination. Once everything's copied there, you're done. It will copy your themes, settings, files, program settings, basically everything. To my knowledge, there are some programs that might be saved differently in another directory, but usually that is not the case. If you want to be sure that you have everything, absolutely everything, then basically you just change this to your root directory, and then it copies the whole hard drive over to your destination. That's basically it. I was surprised as well that this is such an easy task on Linux. It makes things a lot easier. The file types are it's pretty small. Just to give you an example, I have my NAS here, Linux, and then it just creates these subdirectories with your user and obviously all your files. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more content like this, and have a nice day.